everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Mutton Rogan Josh. It is in very easy and quick. We have never made this kind of recipe. Try it, you will love it. Now let us see the ingredients. Half kg mutton, 2 medium sized onions thinly sliced. I have taken 2 large tomatoes blanched and formed into a puree, a cup of curd, chopped garlic, chopped ginger and coarse powder of saunf. Half a glass of water if required. Now let's start the procedure. Take a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil gets heated, add chopped onions. And cook till light brown. When onion gets brown, add chopped garlic, chopped ginger, well. In the same way, add 1 bay leaf, a pinch of pepper seeds, 2 cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, and a strand of cinnamon stick. Add it to the onion mixture and cook well. When it cooked well, add washed mutton pieces and saute it well for 5 minutes. After sauteed well, it looks like this. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Salt to taste. Then add the blanched tomato puree. And a cup of curd. Mix this all well. After this, add saunf powder and cook it on the medium to low flame till 2 whistles. Close the lid. After 2 whistles, let's see whether mutton is cooked. Oh, nice. It's cooked properly. Let me check it. You can see it's cooked. Now switch on the flame and cook till it becomes semi-gravy consistency. I have transferred it into the plate. Garnish it with coriander. And voila! Yummy Mutton Rogan Josh is ready. Try this recipe and do comment me whether you like my recipe or not. Please subscribe to Never Tasted Before and click the bell icon for more notifications whenever I upload a new video.